Now we're going to attach your straps. Now it's time to mark the position of your rivets onto your straps. You can either use the measurements provided in the pattern or use the pattern piece itself for a guide. To do that, I just like to cut this bit out. And then I like to make a nice hole. You can use a hole punch and make it a lot easier. There we go. Repeat that on the other ends and then go and punch your holes. To punch my holes, I use this hole punch, which is actually something I found in the scrapbooking section of my craft store, and I use that, and I actually go out onto the concrete and I put down an old cutting mat, and then I do it out there. There's less bounce and it's much easier to punch my holes. Now we need to mark the position of your straps onto your body pieces, so you can grab your pattern piece and use it as a guide. I like to clip it in place with some clips so I know it won't shift on me. Then grab your strap. No, give this one a try. Yep. Just darken that up a bit so I can see it when I go to punch my rivets, holes. Flip it over for the other side. Use the other end of the strap. Okay. I like to keep those two, well, that strap with that body piece so I don't get it muddled. And then I do the same for the other piece. Anytime that you poke holes into fabric, I think it's a great idea to add some phrase stopper. So I'm just going to do that now. Sometimes they can be a bit stubborn. Now if you've only got the one size rivets, and of course this end of the strap's really fat compared to that, you can pad the other two rivets with a little bit of Peltex, and here I've just pre-punched the holes so I can show you. That'll just stop your rivets from being too loose. Make sure your strap's not twisted. It wants to be flowing nicely around. And then onto your rivet press. Other side. And there we have our rivets on that piece. So repeat for your other body piece.